I'm Dustin Grinnell, a published author, and I've been using AI in my writing for a couple of years now. I want to share where I think AI helps and where it falls short. The most important thing is don't hand your creativity to generative AI. Use it as a tool, not a substitute. AI often defaults to cliches or generic phrasing. Good writing is clear, precise, and free of cliche. So asking AI to write an entire first draft usually gives flat, even lifeless results. And really, where's the fun in that? Writing is discovery, and discovery is the fun part. That's why I think you should always write the first draft of anything yourself, messy as it may be, and then let AI help polish and refine if needed. I see AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude as creative partners, and they can really speed up the research process. For example, in my current sci-fi novel, I needed a way to shrink objects to microscopic scale. Normally, that'd take days of digging through articles or talking with experts. Instead, I asked AI if it was theoretically possible. It reminded me that atoms are mostly empty space, and if you could significantly compress that space, you could miniaturize matter. That was all I needed. From there, my imagination took over. Another way I use AI is for editing. For years, I'd write a draft, revise it intensely, and then send it to my editor to tighten sentences, clarify ideas, and spot holes and inconsistencies. Now, even while drafting, if I run into a clunky sentence, a muddled concept, or a messy paragraph, I can prompt ChatGPT for alternatives. It may sharpen a sentence, clarify phrasing, or trim unnecessary details. AI tools don't replace my judgment. I rarely copy and paste its suggestions wholesale. It just gives me options, just as any good editor does when working with a writer. Finally, I use AI for punch-ups. In Hollywood, screenwriters are often called in to punch up a script. They polish dialogue, sharpen jokes, make scenes more memorable. I use AI the same way. If a line isn't landing, I might ask ChatGPT for something snappier, better metaphor, or a gesture that matches the emotion. Like a creative partner, it can help me make my writing clearer, livelier, and more compelling. AI isn't writing for me. It's just like having a researcher, creative partner, or editor in the room while I write and revise. It helps me do what I love, just a little faster and smoother, which leaves more time for the fun parts.